So welcome back, and today we have another problem where somebody's asked me how we can sort this problem. So they've asked if they have a criteria, say down the side here where they have the colour of something, how would they count the number within there and then get a total of that kind of total numbers across the board. So it's nice and easy as this one. Within the totals tab, what we can do is we can click into there and we can click the equals and we can type in sum. You can see that within that then it starts to bring up all these different options, but for us we just need this sum if because we're only looking for one set of criteria within this. So if we just move the arrow keys down and then press tab, it will open that up automatically for us like so. Looking at this, we can see that down at the bottom we have these different criteria it's going to ask us for. So we've got the range, the criteria, and then the sum range that we're going to have to look at. So the range that we're going to start out is what we're kind of searching for. So as we're going to be searching for the colour, as that's the initial thing that we want to look at, then we're going to highlight that whole column down there and then bringing that across. We can then press the comma, which will take that and move it along, so we can see on the criteria now that that's the one highlighted. So we want to know, or Excel wants to know, where do I find this information to find the thing that you're looking for. So as we've already got a little box highlighted here, just to make it easier, we can put in and click into the D3 there. At this point as well, if you wanted to do, you could also type it in. Say you wanted to just type it in like so, and then go from there, but I just find it's kind of a little bit easier if you just click a cell like so. And then lastly is going to be what information do you want returning and added up based on the criteria that you've given within the first two things. So we want to highlight this next column now with the numbers, because we want to say if we have a colour, say red, then we want to add up that, and we have red and we add up that, and so on and so on. So we can see that we've highlighted that there, and just because I've got it as a named range from doing something earlier, we can see that it's just brought up range 1 there. So we're going to close that parentheses there and press enter, and we can see that it's returned 0 at this point now for us. So it's returned 0 because we have nothing within this criteria box, but if we were to click into there and then type in red, say, and press enter, we can see that it adds up all the red that we have. And because we've just put it as a cell, we can change that to whatever the different ones we have within there, and then we can see that it will return the exact value next to that for what we need to do. So hopefully that helps for you. If you have any problems or any more questions, don't forget to ask us, and I'll hopefully try and find a solution for you. Thanks for watching.